Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick video. So the new handlebars. Let's see. I don't know if you haven't seen a video of the bike all put together yet. But just painted my RC valve. It's red, that cover. I just cleaned my pipe. Looks a lot better. Sorry for the lighting, it's not the best. Well, it's the bike all put together. I'll try to. I think those new handlebars look pretty good on there. They're red. My Kevlar grips on that bar. And I got wider foot pegs. But alright, well that's the video. That's all I can really do. My battery's going dead. But there she is.